Hello everybody and welcome to the PORWC That Guy with the Glasses Truck Series. We're here live at the Pacific Cup finale at Zen Joltis. That's right, Zen Joltis. But it's not the last race of the season. That'll come up in 5 races. The next one's the Atlantic Cup coming soon. So, yeah. Keep an eye for the Atlantic Cup, and we will get to there soon. So, I told you I was going to do the 2 races in the same day. Last week, earlier in Phoenix, Hiroshi Kato took the checkers earlier in a caution-wrecked-filled race. But it was 60 laps, so it was a bit fair for others, so yeah. Anyway, well, now, so for those of you wondering, I will abolish the comment rule of this for the rest of the season. Now you don't have to comment in order to keep your ride, but I do appreciate comments below because it would make me real happy. So I do still appreciate the comments below, but you don't have to do so in order to keep your ride. So anyway, the Pacific Cup finale, Zen Joltis, 10 laps because there's only 30 cars and Zen Joltis is known for its wrecks, big wrecks, so yeah. Anyway, starting on the pole today is the Washington Capitol Taylor Williams. On the outside is the Buffalo Sabre Ryan Acosta. Starting third is the New York Ranger Pichu and the Colorado Avalanche Zach Carlson. Then it's the Atlanta Thrasher Jacob Lawler and the Florida Panther Jason Marshall. Then the San Jose Sharknuts, whose team is hosting the race, Connor Breton. And then Barney Ward from the Chicago Blackhawks. Ninth is the Phoenix Coyote Xavier Livingston, rounding up the top 10. The Pittsburgh Penguin Eric Burton. And now let's hear those famous words in motorsports.
Drivers, start your engines!
Cars are rolling. 10-lap shootout here at... Ooh, they're mixed up here. Hope they get in line in time. 10-lap shootout here at Zen Joltis. Why is it only 10 laps? Because, well, our last one at Peachy Pony Palooza, we had 20 laps, but only 2 cars finished. And 10 laps is a perfect number because there's only 30 trucks in this series. And there's going to be a big wreck maybe anyway, and that'll take most of the field out, so 10 laps is a perfect number for me. Hope you enjoy Zen Joltis race, though. Taylor Williams is going to lead the field of the green for the following race of the Pacific Cup. The second of the doubleheader today starts now. And the green flag is out. We're underway at Zen Joltis. Gotta keep an eye out on these tracks because you never know, there could be a big wreck in the back. And here comes Jacob Lawler for the lead. And Jacob Lawler will take the lead. Charles Jackson on the bottom. And Theo Stiegel getting... Wow, Pichu and Luke Walker are all on the very, very, very high side. Now they're on the very, very high side. Will it work? Oh, Aaron Williams! Oh, and there's a wreck. Connor Breton is spun out. And there's another one. Dylan Poteet, he's flipping around. Whoa, my goodness. Told you we'd had a big wreck. Wow, Lawler all of a sudden loses the lead and drops way back. Ben Ward is your leader. But here comes Theo Stiegel, who's going to lead to the line. Uh-oh, Theo Stiegel's using the high side to his advantage, and he's going to outsource Ben Ward easily. Theo Stiegel will lead the line. Wow. Big wreck. That's what I like about Zen Joltis. Big wrecks. Let's start off with Dylan Poteet, the guy who flipped over. Going to take some time to get through the wreck, so bear with me here. Here to the first wreck. Dylan Poteet spins out and for some reason flips by himself. He spins out his friend Ryan Cooper. Wow. Wow, he spun out his friend Ryan Cooper. Oh my goodness. Wow, Aaron Williams makes it through easily. But Poteet is just upside down, just can't get back up. Oh boy, he just topsy-turvy, flips over, and he just goes right side up. Wow. On board with Dylan Poteet. Oh, he jumped. Dylan Tate, wow. Wow, what a wreck. What a wreck we just saw here, folks. And there's another wreck involving Alex Dawson. I'll try to cut him. I'll try to get him in. This is Alex Dawson. Oh, he saved it. He saved it. Wow. And there was another wreck with Connor Breton. Evan Gattuso flipped. Here was the wreck with Breton. Gattuso spins Breton. Zach Carlson is held up there. Pichu is also involved. Ooh, Trent Dunham. No, wait, Matt McMurray, I think. Matt McMurray, yeah. He just slided over the wall, and Breton just was all around flipping. Here's one more. On board with Breton. And on board with Evan Gattuso. Oh, Luke Walker was also involved. He jumped. Ha! Jumped over Luke Walker. Wow. And that is a big wreck. Oh! Wow, Eric Burton. And Jake Rogers keeps flipping. I almost forgot about it. Oh, I forgot about this one. Haha. There it is, another one. Eric Burton and Jake Rogers both spun out, and wow, the jumping glitch, well, just, it hurt him really a lot. They jumped around, and I don't know how Jason Marshall got through. Aaron Williams gets hit, jumps around, and it will continue. Watch this. Wow, he flips very quickly and leaves all this debris. Wow, Pichu made it through alive. Trent Dunham is around, Eric Burton is around. Wow. Another wreck back. Yikes! And as always, very ugly race. But we do have some drivers, we do have some survivors. There is survivors there. So a third of the field is retired. Well, a third of the field has retired, and 3 more will join the retired ranks. So a third of the field, if not half the field, has retired because of the wreck. This is what exactly how I feel. This is exactly what I feared. Exactly. So here are the guys who retired. Dylan Poteet, Xavier Livingston, Connor Breton, Devin Gattuso, Eric Burton, Jake Rogers, Trent Dunham, Zach Carlson, Ryan Acosta, Aaron Williams, Jack Richards, Seth Cole, Pichu, Kyle Livingston, Joseph Clark. Half the field has retired because of the wreck. But don't worry, we got about 5 laps to go when we hit the straight, and a caution might end the race, so we'll see about that. Your top 5. Theo Stiegel, Charles Jackson, Jacob Lawler, Ben Ward, Taylor Williams. Green flag is out again. 5 laps to go at Zen Joltis. Theo Stiegel with a good start. Still a battle for second. Whoa. And Dylan Poteet has not gone out of the pits yet. That's a miracle. Wow, it's a miracle. But he's not going to be able to finish this race. Theo Stiegel still leading. 3 wide for third. Charles Jackson, Taylor Williams, Ben Ward. Oh, Ben Ward is on the very high side. Taylor Williams in second. Here comes Jacob Lawler going for second, the third spot. Whoa! Charles Jackson, Ben Ward forced on the high side for some reason. Wow. That was weird. And nothing much has happened so far. So, Theo Stiegel still leading. There's going to be 4 laps to go. Still anybody's race. And here comes Jacob Lawler for second. And here comes Jacob Lawler going for the lead. And Jacob Lawler side by side. Here comes Taylor Williams trying to make a high side work. But Lawler's going to get the advantage so far. But Theo Stiegel is trying his best to fight hard. And Lawler's got a good lead over the others. Oh, Ben Ward just makes revenge on Williams and forces her to the high side. Here comes Ben Ward for second. Ben Ward is now second. He's finished second twice in the series so far. He's looking for his first win of the season. And so is Jacob Lawler. Oh, Charles Jackson. Here he comes for third. No, second. And look at Jackson. He got a high boost. Wow, Charles Jackson. Wow, a very fast run. That's incredible. No caution, though. And Lawler leaves the lap with 3 laps to go. Here comes Theo Stiegel. And now Ben Ward has to go on the very high side again. Theo Stiegel retakes the lead. Here comes Taylor Williams on the bottom. Theo Stiegel with the lead. And Taylor Williams right behind her in second. Here comes Nicholas Guerrera for third. Stiegel is now still in the lead. Here comes Nicholas Guerrera for second. But still all about Stiegel. Ben Ward is trying to catch up to the other pack. This could be either between Stiegel and Guerrera, maybe. But Jake Baskinger is now in, wow, third. There's going to be 2 laps to go here in Zen Joltis, and Theo Stiegel still holds the lead. Jake Baskinger is still going for second. And Alex Dawson, really slow back there, is not going to be able to catch up to the others. And probably is going to lose this one. Wow, someone jumped, but they saved it. Nicholas Guerrera is now in second. Oh boy, Jacob Lawler on the low side. Will he make the move? Here comes Charles Jackson for second. And I think Dylan Potita is finally retired from the race. I think. I don't know. I don't care. Theo Siegel. And here comes Charles Jackson for the lead. Here he comes. Battle for the lead. Charles Jackson. Oh, Ben Ward bumped by Jacob Lawler. Wow, he saved it. And Charles Jackson is going to see the white flag. Last lap. Oh boy, Jacob Lawler's got a good run on the bottom. White flag is out. No caution. So it's anybody's race. Oh, wow. Charles Jackson shuts the door on Jacob Lawler. This could be big. Will Lawler have time? Oh boy, Charles Jackson doing a good job blocking the bottom. He's going to try to do it on the... Oh no, he's not. What will he do? Will he make that move? Here he comes. Here comes Jacob Lawler. Trying to make the move. Here comes the surprise winner, Jake Baskinger. Will Lawler have enough? Oh boy, it might be Charles Jackson that wins. We'll see. And Jackson shuts the door on him, and Lawler's chance might be ending. There we go. Coming off the final turn, Charles Jackson is going to win at Zen Joltis and wrap up the Pacific Cup. Charles Jackson hangs on to the win. And Charles Jackson gets his win again, another win, and he wraps up the Pacific Cup. So it's Charles Jackson that wins. Jake Baskinger second, Lawler third, Ben Ward fourth, Guerrera fifth, Taylor Williams sixth, Stiegel seventh, Dawson eighth, Cato ninth, Cooper 10th. And the rest of the field. Yeah, that's the rest of the field. But Charles Jackson, your winner here tonight at Zen Joltis. What a race here today, and wow. So that wraps up our doubleheader of the PORWC Truck Series. Next time, we will start up the Atlantic Cup. And we will, next race is the start of the Atlanta Cup, our last cup of the season before the playoffs. 349 Town. That's right, the 349. At Texas Island, British Columbia, Canada. The 349, our next and possibly our last road course of the season. So stick around for the Atlanta Cup starting with the 349. And we will see you later. And we'll show you the standings. So, thanks for watching this doubleheader. We hope you enjoyed our special race day. So, take a look at standings. See you later.